see this lovely bunch right here. I'm getting all of these. They are not big. This is a dwarf June plum tree. These are just fine. Alright, so these are what we're going to use. So in my previous video you would have seen where I prepared everything. Prior to this video, I get the fire ready and I put my ingredients together. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. So this right here is some cinnamon leaves. This is some brown sugar inside here. The water I'll be using, some vanilla, and I'm going to use some ginger, but I'm going to grate it so I don't bring it out as yet. Fire kicking. The fire is kicking. Alright, so I went and I got me just a towel here to use and a little dish. I'm going to peel the June plums in. Press it right here and the grated ginger that I told you that I had inside. Alright, so I'm just doing my thing. Alright, so don't come for me guys. Oh Stacey, you're not doing it properly and all of that. No. Let me just, yeah. Alright, so adding some water to the pot. I'm not adding a lot because you can see it's not a lot of June plum, only 6 that I have. Alright, so I'm going to add the ginger. Everything I have right here washed already, so don't worry guys. They are washed. So I'm adding the ginger. I'm adding the cinnamon leaves and I have a few sticks inside there as well. I'm going to add some sugar. I don't want to add a lot. I saw some persons use a whole lot, but I want to go easy with the sugar. Even though I'm going easy, I know some of you going to say, Stacey, still a lot of sugar. It's a snack, so you can cheat sometimes. You know, it's a little snack. Alright. Smell good even already. This is being caramelized. Look at them add the sugar. Oh Lord. Alright, so let me put some water inside here to keep my spoon clean, you know? Yeah. Alright. So I'm just going to cover this baby up. Let it come to a boil. And meantime, I am just going to peel my June plums. I'll wash this off again. I had taken it out of the plate and put it on the banana trash. It's annoying me. I still have to wash it. Alright, so I just peel these baby up. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you have not yet done so. That way the YouTube algorithm will push my video out there so that others can see. Thank you so much in advance and God bless you all. Of course, I could use bigger June plums. I could have gotten some from my mommy, but I just wanted to eat what I grow. You get me? Yeah. Oh, guys, I just remember that I didn't have any of the vanilla, so let me add it more. Ooh. Smells so good. Ginger smells so good, man. So I don't have any measurement, guys. This is my first time, so I'm just doing what I'm doing. Alright, of course. Let me see what it tastes like. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, let's that go and boil up. Alright. I have this final one to peel. By the time I'm done peeling and washing these off, I'll just add them to the pot. Smells good, eh? Smells good, man. Guys, you like June plum? What you like to eat it with? The ripe June plums, I love to eat it with sugar. Growing up, I used to eat it with salt and sugar, but now I just prefer sugar. So I tried it with black pepper and salt. I didn't like it too much, but it's eatable. You know, everyone has their own preferences. So eating them with sugar is my preference. So I don't think I'm going to have a problem with this. Stewed June plum or caramelized June plum. Smells so good with the cinnamon and the ginger and the vanilla and the sugar. It smells good, man. I keep doing it. Smells good, man. I feel droplets of rain. What the hell? We just come back and wash out the pot. Alright, just adding them. Look like I have too much water in here now. Yeah. So the thing is to get them to get this water to looking like a jam. Alright, so I am just going to let these baby cook and let the water go down till it turn into jam. Now I feel like rain is coming. I don't know if I can see the dew. I'm going to let the pot stay because this is Portmore and rain afraid of Portmore. The rain is afraid of Portmore, so it will appear like it's going to rain and then nothing. Place dark and black and scary, no rain. But if the rain comes down, what I will do is quickly get my pot, put them at the side to get some shelter, take up everything, and after the rain I'll come back. So guys, I am going to show you what's up. This is afterwards. Well, it don't reach 20 minutes yet, but it's more than 15 minutes. But the pot scene, lean up. Alright. Smells good, man. Smells good. So it's coming down. So ready. So it needs to come down to a jam. You see, it's watery right now. Alright guys, so we are back to checking it again after a few minutes. Ooh. Guys, if you smell this baby, smells good enough. Smells really good. Can see that the sugar is being caramelized. Look. Ooh. I know this is too much sugar for some of you. Yeah, I'm going to drink a good bucket of water after this, so you know for the rest of the week I have to watch my sugar intake. This soon ready, man. I'm going to get a... Ooh, look there. Go and give it 1 more minute. Yeah. Alright guys, so I think I am going to take it off now. Yeah. I'm going to take it off now. And taste. Caramelize. This is ready. Press it right here. I sing out the fire. Should have brought me a spoon, you know. I mean, another spoon. Other than a wooden spoon to share it out, but have to make it happen. I'm gonna just put these at the side for decor. Just for decor. Alright, let me put some water in the pot so that it don't stick. All right. So we're going to taste this baby right now. So guys, I went for a fork. I am ready to taste, and I have my water. Woo! It's soft, man. Soft and nice. I did let it cool a little, you know, but it's still hot. Sauce nice, but whole lot of sugar. Guys, it tastes good. It tastes good. Alright? Yes, man. This nice. This is nice. I mean, the thing balance. The cinnamon taste, the ginger with the sugar, a little vanilla. The thing balance. It's not what I expected. I expected just sweet tooth. The thing balance. The ginger sell off. Guys, I forgot that it's hot. You see, I'm putting a light in my mouth. Yeah, man. It's nice. Not to have too much, though. For me, this can get lining. But it's nice. Based on this, really, I was saying that I'm just going to have one and then share the rest. I'm going to have two. Yeah. It tastes good. Yes, good guys. I'm going to have another one. It tastes good. Alright guys, so this is where I leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. This is my previous video. Please go over and watch it if you have not yet done so. You will love it. It is off-grid living in the city. Thank you so much in advance, and God bless you all. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet